Welcome to the Paris Base assembly instructions. When you open the cartons, you will find the column, the spider, and the base. You will also need an impact drill with both a 16mm socket and a Phillips head, a 16mm spanner, and thread lock. Firstly, use the drill to remove the pre-assembled screws from both ends of the column. You will need to change between both drill bits in order to remove the different screws. Place the spider on top of the column and apply thread lock to the screws. Use the drill to tighten both the screws into the holes. Flip the column over so the spider is face down and place the base on top, lining up the holes. Apply thread lock to the screws and place them through the holes. Finish the base with the drill, tightening the screws through the base and into the column. The Paris base range is a classic Parisian design that is available in both a table and dry bar height. The intricate details within the legs and the column give it a unique feature perfect for vintage or boutique cafe or restaurant applications.